Why is it such a surprise? I use Eco Styler Gel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today's video is a little bit different to what I usually do, but I thought since I am a natural curly hair blogger and I also have a book explaining how to transition to natural hair, and I usually preach a lot about natural ingredients, I thought it was very important that I speak on this topic because there's been a lot of controversy about this topic online lately and I've been holding back, but I thought, you know what, I should really speak on this. It's all about Eco Styler Gel. I'll get straight into it. Basically, a YouTuber called Brie Hall, which is a very popular natural hair naturalista YouTuber, she put out a video the other week called Eco Styler Gel is cancelled, and it spread a lot all over like Black Twitter and Instagram, across all the natural hair pages, and a lot of bloggers had a lot to say about it. I saw this and I thought, you know what, I see it, I believe it, and I also kind of think like, why is it such a surprise? I use Eco Styler Gel, always been a great fan of it, preach about it a lot because it just really holds down the hair, and I found that it didn't give my hair any flakage, and it's worked for those that I have recommended it to also. Basically in this video she is talking about a video that she watched from another YouTuber. I'll leave the links below. That YouTuber is called Alopecia Free with Jazz, and she goes through the ingredients in Eco Styler Gel and explains how they can really affect your organs. Wow. And it causes irritation, and once used over a long amount of time, it's going to be really bad for your health. Correct. Now, wow, big surprise. Oh my god, to like stop using Eco Styler Gel. Great, that's fine. I totally support if you want to stop using it. I probably will start using it a bit more sparingly. However, this is my thoughts on it, and this is what I automatically thought straight away. First of all, and I'm bad for this too, but first of all, I have always preached, if a product is so cheap, you have to think it can't be that great for us. It has to be full of cheap ingredients which aren't going to be 100% natural and 100% good for your health. Eco Styler Gel is one of the cheapest products for good, like a good product for natural hair. It's probably one of the cheapest that I've ever come across. You can get like the huge tub for probably £5. All of them are under £10, which is crazy for a natural hair product. So if you find that a product is, you know, aimed at natural hair, please check the back of the tub, back of the bottle, and check the ingredients, because I've been seeing a lot of these brands just blatantly lie and say coconut oil, and they'll say it in a sly way. So they'll say, for example, Eco Styler Gel coconut oil. However, there's only a tiny little bit of coconut oil in that whole product. They're just using the keyword coconut oil to sell the product to people like us who are very naturally ingredient conscious. But you have to do your own research because you cannot trust these brands. You need to be checking the ingredients on the back and make sure that, for example, the first 3 or first 5 ingredients are the ingredients that have the most quantity within that product. So if you see good ingredients within the first 5 or so on the list, then that means they have the highest quantity. So if there is a chemical right at the bottom, you can kind of let it slide because you'll know that there's not too much of it. But also guys, you need to do your research as well, because there is a list of good alcohols, good chemicals that aren't bad for the hair. I'm going to leave a link to my book below, and also a DIY book, ebook that I made below, that has alternatives to natural products that you can make yourself, and also a list of the bad ingredients, good ingredients, and some good brands that I recommend for you to use. But when it comes to this whole controversy that I'm seeing lately, even BBC over here in the UK had like this big article about how products aimed at black women are really bad for their health, which yes, I guess, but me being a skeptical, I was kind of like, why are you just aiming it at black women and trying to make it look like, oh, this is only towards the natural hair market, the black hair market? Girl, if you want to come for the black hair market and say that the products aimed at us are so dangerous. Girl, you better be knowing, you better be researching, because I've known for years. Products, you know, the brands that do like Johnson & Johnson, baby products, baby wipes, baby oils that you use on your babies are dangerous and can even lead to causing, I don't want to really put it out there, but like causing diseases and stuff. Like, it's crazy. It can scare you so much that you're just gonna feel like you want to make everything yourself, which is a great way to live, but also can be very costly and just time consuming. Like, not everyone has time for that. I didn't want to make this video too long. I hope I haven't, you know, just preached for so long, but my main point is I just want to put out there, if you want to cancel Eco Styler Gel, you are so right to do that. They did put out a post the other day, no, 15 hours ago from today, saying that earth-friendly, hair-friendly, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, made in the USA, safe for all hair types, vegan, for over 30 years. So they're kind of coming back at the controversy and kind of saying, no, like, our products are still safe. Going forward, like I always say to everyone, check the back of your products, check for the ingredients. If it's really cheap, you have to kind of question, why is it so cheap if it's meant to be really good and have all natural ingredients. Also, try and make your own products, your own gels, just to be completely safe. And yeah, try and look out for some amazing homegrown black owned businesses. I'll leave some links below to some great UK owned brands that are all natural that I would trust in too. Because come on, these big corporations that are making products, like, they're just about the money. That's my opinion. I don't know, I probably will be using Eco Styler Gel sparingly, which I don't use it a lot anymore anyway, because I'm trying to save my edges, girl. I'm trying to save these edges. I hope this kind of helped you guys to make your decisions going forward, and just remember, it isn't only these kind of products. I mean, you need to be checking your washing powder, your cleaning products, your toothpaste, your body creams. Everything contains harmful chemicals. So if you want to cancel Eco Styler Gel, you better reevaluate everything else that you're using in your life. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please do comment below your opinions. I'd love to hear what you think on the topic, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.